Hello, my name is Sonia Valle and I'm the Dance Program Director at Paradise Valley Community College, as well as the Dance Advisor. The dance program at Paradise Valley Community College has been in place for more than 18 years, and our goal is to offer you 1. Affordability, 2. An opportunity to learn a skill, and 3. An opportunity to pursue your dance career goals by completing the Associate in Arts Fine Art Dance degree. Our dance classes are offered to all students of all levels. We offer levels 1 through 4 in ballet, modern dance, modern jazz, hip-hop, social dances like Latin dance, Argentine tango, swing, and ballroom, as well as other classes like choreography, dance production, dance performance, rhythmic awareness, as well as online classes like Introduction to Dance and Hip-Hop Arts and Culture. These courses are general education courses and can be taken online. The average cost of a dance class at Paradise Valley Community College is $3. This is very affordable compared to what you would pay at a dance studio. We offer you highly qualified dance instructors, many of who have earned a master's degree in dance. Taking dance classes at Paradise Valley Community College can be very exciting. We offer dance performance opportunities every semester, dance scholarships, the ability to attend the American College Dance Festival, the opportunity of pursuing your dance career goals with highly qualified dance instructors, and also the opportunity of developing long-lasting friendships with other students who share your love of dance. To those of you who are interested in a career in dance, we offer the Associate in Arts Fine Arts Dance degree, which is 35 credits of general education courses and 29 credits of dance. I encourage you to visit our website to learn more about all of the dance classes we offer, as well as the requirements for the Associate in Arts Fine Arts Dance degree. Again, all of our dance classes are open to all students of all levels, so we hope to see you soon.